Have you ever struggled with a loose car door panel or trim that just won't stay in place? Or maybe you've tried countless adhesives only to find they don't hold up under the heat, cold, or constant use? If you're nodding your head, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the world of automotive adhesives to uncover the best glue for car doors. We've tested and ranked 7 top products to help you make the best choice for your vehicle. From budget-friendly options to heavy-duty champions, we'll break down their strengths, and yes, their weaknesses too. So which adhesive will take the top spot? Stick around to find out. Loctite Extreme Glue. Loctite Extreme Glue is marketed as an all-purpose adhesive, boasting versatility for a range of materials such as wood, metal, leather, plastic, ceramic, and glass. Its standout features include a non-foaming formula, crystal clear drying, and resistance to water and extreme temperatures. These qualities make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. However, in the context of automotive repairs, particularly car doors, it falls short in several areas. During testing, the glue performed adequately on lightweight materials like trim pieces or emblems, but struggled with heavier components such as door panels. While its rubberized texture provides some flexibility to withstand temperature fluctuations, -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, the bond strength is not robust enough for demanding automotive use. Additionally, although it claims to set without clamping, we found that applying pressure for at least 5 minutes improved adhesion significantly. Another positive is its odorless nature, which makes it comfortable to work with compared to other adhesives that emit strong fumes. On the downside, Loctite Extreme Glue's durability over time is questionable. It showed signs of weakening under high heat during extended testing. Moreover, its thick consistency can be challenging to apply evenly on intricate surfaces. While it's a decent choice for minor repairs or non-critical applications, it doesn't quite meet the standards required for heavy-duty car door fixes. Number 6. Loctite PL Premium Polyurethane Construction Adhesive. Loctite PL Premium is a polyurethane-based adhesive known for its heavy-duty strength and versatility. It bonds well with a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, concrete, stone, and foam insulation. With claims of being 3 times stronger than ordinary construction adhesives and resistant to water and temperature extremes, it's a compelling option for automotive repairs. In our tests, Loctite PL Premium excelled in creating strong bonds on rigid materials like metal and wood. It's particularly effective for reattaching trim or securing components that don't require flexibility. The adhesive also performed well in wet and cold conditions, a significant advantage for outdoor or all-weather applications. However, its thick consistency can make application tricky on smaller or more intricate surfaces like car door panels. Using a caulking gun is essential for precise application. One of the major drawbacks of this adhesive is its long curing time. While it sets in about 30 minutes, full curing takes up to 24 hours, which may not be ideal if you're looking for a quick fix. Additionally, once cured, the adhesive becomes rigid and lacks elasticity. This rigidity can lead to cracks or failure when used on materials that expand and contract with temperature changes. Despite these limitations, Loctite PL Premium is a reliable choice for specific tasks requiring maximum bond strength, but may not be the best option for flexible or dynamic components in car doors. Number 5. JB Weld 5V139 Plastic Bonder. JB Weld 50139 Plastic Bonder is a 2-part urethane adhesive system specifically designed for bonding plastic surfaces. With a tensile strength of 3,770 psi and a quick setting time of just 15 minutes, fully curing in 30 minutes, this product stands out as an excellent choice for automotive plastic repairs. During testing, JB Weld Plastic Bonder impressed with its ability to bond various plastics securely. It worked exceptionally well on interior panels and trim pieces made from thermoplastics or composites. The adhesive also doubles as a gap filler, making it suitable for repairing cracks or holes in plastic components like bumpers or grills. Once cured, the bond is durable and resistant to heat and chemicals, an essential feature for automotive use. However, there are some challenges when working with this product. The 2-part system requires precise mixing in a 1-to-1 ratio before application. If not mixed correctly, the adhesive may fail to cure properly. Additionally, while it excels at bonding plastics, its performance on other materials like metal or rubber isn't as strong as some competitors. Another minor issue is its black color when cured. While this isn't a problem for hidden repairs, it may require additional finishing work if aesthetics are important. Overall, JB Weld Plastic Bonder is a dependable option for plastic-specific repairs on car doors or other automotive components. Its quick setting time and high strength make it a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike, despite the slight learning curve associated with mixing and application. 4. Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Gorilla Super Glue Gel has earned its reputation as a household staple for quick and reliable fixes. Its gel-based formula is designed to prevent drips, making it ideal for vertical applications such as car door panels, trim pieces, or emblems. The adhesive sets in just 10 to 30 seconds, which is one of its most appealing features for those who need a fast solution. In our testing, Gorilla Super Glue Gel performed exceptionally well on smaller repairs. It bonded plastic and metal components securely, making it a great choice for quick fixes like reattaching interior trim or fixing broken clips. The gel consistency allows for precise application without the mess often associated with liquid adhesives. Additionally, it's resistant to moisture and moderate temperature changes, which adds to its versatility for automotive use. However, there are limitations to what this adhesive can handle. While it's perfect for lightweight repairs, it struggles with heavier components or areas subjected to significant stress or vibration. Over time, exposure to extreme heat or cold can weaken the bond, especially if the adhesive is applied to materials that expand and contract. Another minor drawback is that Gorilla Super Glue Gel doesn't offer much flexibility once cured, which can lead to brittle bonds in dynamic environments like car doors. Despite these limitations, Gorilla Super Glue Gel remains a reliable and user-friendly option for everyday car door repairs. Its ease of use and quick setting time make it a must-have for minor fixes, though it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty or long-term solutions. 3. Sika Sikaflex-221. Sika Sikaflex-221 is a polyurethane-based adhesive and sealant that's widely used in industrial and automotive applications. Known for its exceptional bonding strength and flexibility, this product is a favorite among professionals who need a reliable adhesive for challenging repairs. During our testing, Sikaflex-221 stood out for its ability to bond a wide range of materials, including metal, plastic, wood, and painted surfaces. Its flexibility after curing makes it particularly suitable for car doors, where materials often expand and contract due to temperature changes or vibrations from driving. Unlike some adhesives that become brittle over time, Sikaflex-221 maintains elasticity while providing a durable bond that can withstand extreme conditions. One of the key advantages of this product is its resistance to environmental factors such as UV rays, water, and chemicals. This makes it ideal for outdoor automotive applications where durability is critical. However, Sikaflex-221 does have a longer curing time compared to other products on this list, up to 24 hours, which may not be convenient if you're looking for a quick fix. Additionally, application requires precision because once cured, the adhesive is nearly impossible to remove without damaging the surface underneath. Despite these minor drawbacks, Sikaflex-221 excels in situations where strength and flexibility are paramount. Whether you're reattaching weather stripping or securing larger components on your car door, this adhesive delivers professional-grade results that are built to last. 2. Rhino Glue Gel. Rhino Glue Gel is a heavy-duty adhesive that lives up to its name by providing an incredibly strong bond across multiple surfaces. Whether you're working with metal, plastic, rubber, or glass, this product offers versatility and durability that's hard to beat. In our tests, Rhino Glue Gel impressed us with its fast setting time and long-lasting performance. It creates an almost instant bond while still allowing enough working time for adjustments, a rare combination in adhesives of this caliber. Once cured, the bond remains resistant to heat, moisture, impact, and vibrations, making it perfect for automotive use where durability is key. One of Rhino Glue Gel's standout features is its ability to handle both small and large repairs with equal ease. From securing loose trim pieces to bonding heavier components like door panels or seals, this adhesive consistently delivered strong results. Even after prolonged exposure to extreme conditions such as high heat and humidity during testing, the bonds showed no signs of weakening. The only real downside to Rhino Glue Gel is its price point. It's slightly more expensive than some other options on this list. However, considering its incredible performance and versatility across various materials, many users will find it worth the investment. If you're looking for an adhesive that combines speed with heavy-duty reliability, Rhino Glue Gel is an excellent choice. 1. 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive. Taking the top spot on our list is 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive, an industry-standard product specifically designed for automotive applications. Known for its exceptional bonding strength and durability under harsh conditions, this adhesive is a go-to solution for professionals and DIYers alike. What sets 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive apart from the competition is its ability to bond rubber components securely while remaining flexible after curing. This makes it ideal for sealing weather strips around car doors or reattaching rubber trim pieces that need to withstand constant movement and temperature changes. In our testing, the adhesive performed flawlessly on both rubber to metal and rubber to plastic bonds, two common challenges in automotive repairs. Another major advantage of this product is its resistance to environmental factors such as heat, cold, moisture, oil, and grease. Whether you're dealing with scorching summer temperatures or freezing winter conditions, 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive maintains its integrity without cracking or weakening over time. Application is straightforward, but requires careful handling due to its strong odor during use. We recommend working in a well-ventilated area. One minor drawback worth noting is that this adhesive dries black, which could be an issue if aesthetics are important for your repair job, e.g. visible areas. However, this isn't typically a problem when applied under trim or inside door panels where visibility isn't a concern. Overall, 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive delivers unmatched performance when it comes to bonding strength, flexibility, and durability in automotive applications. If you're looking for the best glue for car doors, whether you're sealing weather strips or securing trim, this product is hands down the top choice on our list. And there you have it, the ultimate ranking of glues for car doors. Whether you need something quick and convenient like Gorilla Super Glue Gel, or heavy-duty reliability like 3M Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive, we've got options here for every type of repair job imaginable. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more tips and reviews, and until next time, happy repairing!